Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 14-foot by 48-inch pool set with Skimmer Pump and Solution Blend. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Wave's Elite 14-foot frame pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a SFX 1000 filter pump, Easy P 20-pound bucket of pool care solution blend, and ladder. Product benefits: features quick assembly with snap-in design and is ready for water in as little as 60 minutes. Made of a durable triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material that will stand up to heavy use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.